Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamel. I will be presenting the first topic of the business math is simple interest. So, for example, deposit 1,000 ringgit. When you deposit 1,000 ringgit in a bank for a year, and you will find the end of the year you have 1,050 ringgit in your account. The additional amount of 50 ringgit is the interest you earn when you invested 1,000 ringgit. We have a formula that it is I equal to PRT. So I is the simple interest. So the P is principal. R is rate of the simple interest. Simple interest. For the T is time or term in years. So that is meaning of IPRT. So for next, we will continue for the question. So the question here, the question is above that 1,000 ringgit. 1,000 ringgit is invested for 2 years in a bank. Earn a simple interest rate of 8% per annum. Find the simple interest. So we have to put the formula in the question. Okay, in the question. Okay, so I equal to PRT. So the I is the interest. So we want to know the amount of the interest. Okay, so principal is 1,000. Okay, and then the rate is 0.8. Okay, for the year we put 2 because 2 is the year of the investment going. The investment going for 2 year, 2 time period. Okay, I is 1,000 times 0.8 times 2. So we put in the calculator 1,000 times 0.08 times 2. So the answer is 160. So 160 is the interest that you have earned for the 2 year period. You have been invested, so 1,000 and 160 is the invested you get. So that's all for me, and we will continue for the second presenter.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Aiman Suffian dan saya akan menerangkan tentang soalan yang seterusnya. Okay, what is the question? The question say a businesswoman takes a loan of 5,000 ringgit with a simple interest rate of 7% for 3 years. So, what is the question? How much interest is charged and what is the amount at the end of the 3 years? So, we have to define what they give to us. So the principal is 5,000. So the principal is 5,000 and the interest rate is 7%, or we say 0.07, and the time is 3 years. So we use the formula, which is I equals to PRT. So we write the what they give us to. So the P is 5,000 times with the rate, which is 0.07, and we times with the time they give, which is 3 years. So we calculate 5,000 multiply with 0.07 multiply with 3 years. So the answer is 1,050. So this is the interest charge for the 3 years. So the second question, which is what is the amount at the end of the 3 years? So the principal, which is 5,000, and we add with the interest charge for 3 years, which is 1,050. So the amount, the final amount for the end of the 3 years is, we calculate 5,000 plus with 1,050, which is 6,050. So this is the answer for the first question, and this is the answer for the second question. So that's all for this question. So thank you.
Okay, a loan of RM1 ringgit is made on 20 April 2020 at a simple interest rate of 6% per annum. The accumulated amount of 23rd December 2020 is 2,008 ringgit. Using bankers rules, find the first one is the term of the loan in days, and the second one is the value of Y. So to find the terms of loan in day, you have to know how many days that the loan have been made. So in order to know that, we have to use, remember we are using the bankers rules, so we have to know the exact date of each of the months. So let's say it's April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So on April's, there are 30 days reduced by 20, so we'll get the answer is 10. And then in May is 31, June is 30, July is also 31, August is 31, September is 30 days, October is 31, November is 30, and December is 23. Reason is because of the 23 December 2020. So we add all of this, 10 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 23. So we will get 247 days. 247 days. So this is the term of loan. The answer will be in 247 days. So this is the point number 1. So the second one is the value of Y. Okay, the value of Y, we have to use the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus RT. So we have to find the parameter of each of the following. Okay, so S is RM 2,008 ringgit. P is Y. R is 6% or 0.06, and T is 247 days over 360 days. Reason 360 days is because we're using the bankers rule. Bankers rule. So we move on of this into the formula. 2008 equal to Y in bracket 1 plus 0.06 in bracket 247 over 360 close bracket and bracket. So we simplify the first one over here. Okay, so 2008 equal to Y in bracket, okay, this is what we want to know. 247 divided by 360, and we get the answer times with 0.06 and plus by 1. So we put over here is 1.041167. Okay, So this divide with y. Multiply by y. So if you multiply by y, 2008 equal to 1.041167 y. So now you want to know the value of y. So y is we brought to over here, equal to 2008 divide with 1.041167. So 2008 divide with answer, and we got y equal to Rm. Don't forget the unit, 1928.61. So this is the final answer for these questions.
Kita gerak kepada soalan. Kita baca soalan. A debt of 800 due in 4 months and another of 1000 due in 9 months are to be settled by a single payment at the end of 6 months. Find the date of settlement as the focal date, assuming money is worth 6% per annum simple interest. Okay, first thing first, kalau dalam konteks ni, step yang pertama kita kena buat. Okay, step yang pertama kita kena buat diagram. Buat diagram. Okay, as usual dalam diagram ni kita ada 4 point, iaitu 0, 4 bulan yang keempat, bulan yang ke-9 dan bulan yang ke-6. So bulan keempat dia cakap dalam soalan adalah RM800 dia bayar pada bulan yang keempat. Bulan yang ke-9 dia cakap dia bayar RM1000. Lepas tu bulan yang ke-6 dia cakap dia bayar pada bulan ke-6 tapi tak tahu berapa jumlah. So kita assume as X, iaitu unknown amount. Okay. Dalam soalan ni, first thing first, korang kena tahu iaitu kita adalah menggunakan dua formula, iaitu P sama dengan S 1 tambah RT. Ni untuk cari future. Lepas tu lagi satu, P sama dengan S 1 tambah RT negatif 1. Ini untuk cari present. Okay, sebelum saya terlupa, kita kena tarik, kita kena pull out to the focal date. Pull out the month to the focal date. Okay, so focal date kita adalah 6 tau. 6 kita adalah focal date. So kita tarikkan 4 ke 6 dan 9 ke 6. So kita kena first kita cari P4. Okay, P4 kita gunakan formula yang atas sebab dari 4 nak ke 6 kita ke depan. Betul tak? So kita pakailah formula yang atas, iaitu S 1 tambah RT. Dalam P4 kita kena tahu S kita adalah 800. R kita dalam soalan dia dah bagi, iaitu 6%, 0.06. Dan T kita adalah 2/12. Kenapa 2/12? Kenapa 2/12? Sebab 2 tu dari 4 nak ke 6 ni berapa bulan? Dari 4 nak ke 6 berapa bulan? 2 bulan, betul tak jarak dia? So kita letaklah 2 per 12 tu. 12 tu adalah 1 tahun berapa bulan? Okay, so kita masukkan sahaja nombor dalam perkali. Okay, P4 sama dengan dalam perkali tu S 1 tambah RT. Okay, P4 kita masukkan dalam perkali, iaitu 800 buka kurungan 1 tambah R kita berapa, iaitu 0.06. T kita adalah 2/12. Okay, tutup kurungan. Okay, P4 kita settlekan dalam kurungan, iaitu 0.06 darab 2 sama dengan bahagi dengan 12. So kita dapat 0.01. Answer kita tambah dengan 1. Okay, so kita settle dalam kurungan, iaitu 800 dalam kurungan ialah 1.01. Okay, P4 kita darabkan sahaja dengan 800. Okay, dalam kurungan tu 1.01. So kita darabkan answer darab dengan 800. Dapat jawapan. So P4 kita berjumlah RM 808. So kita gerak ke P9. Okey. Okey, P9 ni kita kena guna formula ni tau. Sebab apa? Sebab dari 9 nak ke 6. So dari 9 nak ke 6 adalah 3 bulan. Dari 9 nak ke 6 dia ke belakang. So kalau ke belakang kita kena guna present. So formula dia adalah S1 tambah RT. Jangan lupa negatif 1, kuasa negatif 1. So dalam P9 S kita adalah 1000, R kita adalah 0.06 dan T kita adalah 3/12. Kenapa 3/12? Sebab jarak 9 nak ke 6 ni adalah 3 bulan. Okey, lepas tu kita masukkan sahaja nombor dalam perkali. P9 sama dengan S1 tambah RT. Jangan lupa negatif 1. P9 sama dengan S1000. 1 tambah R kita berapa? 0.06 dan T kita adalah 3/12. Tapi jangan lupa kita ada kuasa negatif 1. So P9 kita adalah, kita settlekan dalam kurungan dulu, iaitu 0.06 darab 3 sama dengan, dapat jawapan kita bahagikan dengan 12. So dah dapat jawapan 0.015. Kita kena campur dengan 1. So dapatlah dalam kurungan. So 1000 dalam kurungan 1.015 kuasa negatif 1. So kita settlekan dalam kurungan juga. Okey, dah dapat answer. Kita kuasakan dengan negatif 1 sama dengan P9 kita adalah, dalam kurungan kita adalah 0.98522. Okay. Ini kita just darab saja. Dapat jawapan tu, answer kita darabkan dengan 1000. So jawapan kita untuk P9 kita adalah berjumlah RM985.22. So sekarang kita nak cari X. X ialah P6. So kalau nak cari P6, P4 campur P9. Alright. So P6 kita tak tahu. So P4 kita berapa? Yang ni, iaitu RM808 campur P9 kita mana? P9 kita yang ni, RM985.22. So kita campurkan dua-dua. RM808 campur RM985.22. So inilah jumlah kita untuk P6, iaitu RM1,793.22. Okey, sekian, terima kasih.